What's up, my people? So, boy, soup, no, the AKA at the verse. This morning, at the verse, I not call flog person. I just come and advise some people, especially people where they already tell me say, soup, no, the why be say, you know, they always they advise our bad leaders. Also, now me want advise our bad leaders. Now me go advise Buhari. Buhari na my mate when I go dey advise. Buhari when support to advise me, no say make I dey advise Buhari. Me okay, now me go advise Obaseki na. Me and Obaseki go advise each other. And they talk about the problem when me and you get to they talk about our government. Let me tell you, the truth is that the truth is bitter. We know they already believe the truth. The problem of Nigeria is not only our bad leaders. Our bad leaders, they only refuse to give us good road, good electricity, good job opportunity. Those are the problem when our leaders create for granted. Apart from that problem, may we talk about ourselves. Our hatred when we get, our bad mindset, attitude we no good. Talk about if you don't say they bring good leader, may you rule Nigeria. What about the mindset? What about the poison mind where we get? Come this country, Togo go like Togo, that they like themselves. Togo, Ghana, Senegal, them that they love themselves. Somalia, they must love themselves. Not only Nigeria, they different. Nigeria can never love themselves. And now they use that they sing, love yourself, love your neighbor as yourself. How many people love your neighbor as himself for Nigeria? How can you stop the bad mindset for Nigeria when we say if one family don't make am for village, you no go want make the rest people make am. He just want me only one make am, make they share food for the rest family. How can we stop that mindset? How can we change the mindset? How can we change the mindset for this Europe now? If we not the hustle, anywhere we not the hustle now. If one person just the progress now, the rest people don't they gang up. How they go chase and come out. How can we change the mindset? They talk about the bad leader. Now let bad leader say no problem. If you get go they work, they go they hustle no man hustle. Another person go they call him mama for another person matter. Now only Ejiro just call they get work for this place where they stay. They will call do something. They'll chase Ejiro come out. Ejiro not be clear. I take come for the ground. Now our bad leaders cause him. They say make I advise my leader. Now me go advise leader. You know how many people don't advise leader? They don't die. Leader sit there. May we advise ourselves. May we feel good. May we feel love ourselves. And that one be the important thing. May we feel love ourselves. Not be leaders now. If this they bring good leader, what of the killing when they Edo State? Edo State now they don't kill all the youth finish. They don't they kill girl, they don't they kill woman, they don't they kill girl. Now they think that one. Now Buhari they kill girls. Now Buhari they kill all those youth for Benin. Every day gunshot for Benin them. You don't ever hear gunshot for Europe. Now Buhari cause and our leaders call that one. Maybe some they talk about now to stop this killing for Edo State now. When we say they don't kill all the youth, both voter card, both everything. They don't kill the youth. Come out. After they don't kill youth finish, let me tell you now, if time they come, if woman come out for a Edo State governor, if cannot take a woman will win, because youth they don't already wipe all the youth and their voter card. Now never talk about to stop that one and they talk about leaders. Now leaders make them now Buhari put them for cottage. Now Buhari make person go buy land finish for Edo State, they go resell them. Person go day Europe, they just never come her for 1 year, they go resell the land. If they can't deport that person, come house now, or maybe you don't come and call, say what up build now, they don't resell now. If you say make it talk now, they will call to use Curtis the threaten. Now Buhari caused that one. How can we change our mindset, our evil heart? How can we love ourselves? That's what we're supposed to talk about, not be leader. If we don't say they put good leader there, nothing will work. Because for father don't first spoil father mind. Spoil father mind. We go spoil our father mind. When our father takes spoil our mind against our neighbors. Now the problem is that may we not still spoil our children mind. May the thing not continue. Now they talk about Buhari. Mama Rebecca go say, Mama Ejiro is no good. See what he do when I was like this. Now so Mama Ejiro go say, Mama Rebecca no good. See what she do when I was like this. Now, so those who go tell their children, those their children go still tell their children. Now problem when they today, we make we not feel love ourselves. How can we clean that thing for mind? Make our children when see they come, make we not go tell them those kind of issue. We not come and they say Nigeria na leader. Leader not good, we know, but the problem is that even they say they bring good leaders, we no love ourselves. We need to first of all love ourselves. Come this country now, Ghana will go school, go buy car. If you Ghana, another Ghana person come, he go show them the way how to go to private school, how to get the connection, where to buy car. That is why you see say majority of Ghana for this country, all of them they drive car. Few Nigerians they drive car for this country. For one street now for this country, if one person they drive car, now he can never give the other person, the other Nigerian person the connection. When they do the driving license, when they go to school, how they do the thing, when they get the car. If you even know say that boy don't even know the connection, if you feel block, he will block him. Because he just want me only one be big boy. Make the other one a servant. That is the Nigeria problem for you. Nigeria character. Everybody dey Europe now, we dey Europe, we know they send ourselves. We not feel help ourselves. We just dey hustle and make be say, now me go blow. I go Nigeria, they will say the rest people they know they try. Why is it like that? Bad attitude, bad character. How can we change those mindsets? How can we love our neighbor as ourselves? I beg I don't want to talk too much today. You know how they use the Nigeria problem. They disturb me. I advise my brothers and my sisters who did this country how they use their own money. Would they even carry money go Nigeria and they squander them?